Lihlehliselwe mhla zintathu kwezokwethwasa icala lokuzama ukubulala, ukuphazamisa ukusebenza kwengalo yomthetho nokusebenzisa isibhamu elibhekene noBellarmine Mugabe, oyindodana yowayengumengameli waseZimbabwe uRobert Mugabe. uMugabe uvele enkantolo yemantshi yase-Alexandra nasolwa naye uTobias Mugabe Nathonje namhlanje kulandela isigameko sokudutshulwa kwesisebenzi sasengadini esineminyaka engama-33. Lesigameko senzeke ngoLwesine emzini kaMugabe eHyde Park, eGoli.
Charges are as follows. Attempted murder, which is count number 1. The state will be applying the doctrine of common purpose. Both of the accused persons are facing that count. We have count number 2, that is defeating and obstructing the course of justice. This is in relation to the firearm that was allegedly used during the commission of the offense.
Umbuso uthi isibhamu esasetshenziswa esigamekweni sokudubula namanje asikatholakali, kanti ukholwa ukuthi safihlwa ngemuva kwesigameko.
It is with great suspicion that this firearm, which had actually been concealed, which we believe is the weapon that was used during the commission of the offense.
We have the weapon.
We haven't got the weapon.
Amaphoyisa asaqhubeka nophenyo ukuqinisekisa ngamaphepha abagunyaza laba bobabili kuba kuleli. Ummeli kaMugabe uthi bazolinda ukuphothulwa kophenyo ngawo wonke amacala ababekwe wona.
We still need to take instructions from our client. As the prosecution stated, the investigations from the SAPS are still ongoing. So we're still waiting for those to be finalized so that we can then, of course, consult with our client, take instructions, and then take the necessary steps in order to deal with our client's matter. They still need to approach the Department of Home Affairs and other agencies in order to verify a number of things incidental to the statuses of the accused.
Abasolwa abagcinwe esitokisini bazobuyela enkantolo ngenyanga ezayo ukuze bezofaka isicelo sebheyili. Umbuso uhlela ukusiphikisa isicelo sebheyili.